Guys, and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can arrange your home screen, the OnePlus Nord N30. So if you want to open the home screen, just hold the finger on the empty place on your screen, and as you can see there are a few options like it. The wallpaper is obvious, so you can skip it. Now we can go to the icons. If you want to use the other design for your icons, you can do it here from the ready samples, or just some of the custom to make your own. So you can, as you can see there, we have a preview. So we can use the shape for the icons, the size of the icon, turn on the adapt system colors, but I didn't like it. You can also hide the app names, but if you want to keep it visible, you can change the size of it. Now just click on the apply, and now we have a new icon design. Okay, now the widgets. If you want to add any, just hold the finger on the any widget that you want to add to your home screen and drop it. That's it. If you want to change the size of it, hold the finger on it again and use the edge for that. If you want to remove that, of course, hold the finger, just remove again, that's it. Okay, now we can go to the layout. If you want to change the layout of your amount of the application and the rows and in the columns, as you can like. Now just apply, that's it. Now the transition, that is the effect when you're sorting the pages, so tap on any to open the preview of that and choose your favorite one. Now click on apply, that's it. Okay, now we can go to the more, and this is the app animation speed. So if you want to make your phone a little bit faster, just change it to the fast. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or a comment, and goodbye.